Good afternoon. Please be seated. Thank you for coming in today. And before we get started, can you tell us about yourself and your background?
Good afternoon and thank you for having me. I am Chris Justin Fajardo, 18 years of age, living in Taal, Pulilan, Bulacan. I work at a fast food restaurant as a service crew for 1 year, and my journey as a service crew began during my college years when I pursued hospitality and management at Baliwag Polytechnic College. During my previous job, I gained valuable experience working as a service crew member at a fast food restaurant. I developed skills in customer service, multitasking, and maintaining a fast-paced environment. Moving forward, I am adaptable and quick to learn, ready to take on new responsibilities and challenges as needed. I am excited about the opportunity to join your cruise ship team and contribute to creating unforgettable experiences for guests. And I am confident that my skills, knowledge, experience, and passion for hospitality industry can contribute to the success of your company.
And what motivated you to apply for this position?
I'm motivated to apply for this position because ever since I was a child, it was my dream job. Secondly, I'm motivated because working on a cruise ship allows me to contribute to creating unforgettable experiences for passengers, and it allows me to learn and experience new things that I didn't experience before. Additionally, the opportunity to travel to various destinations while working is a major motivator for me.
What do you know about our company and industry?
Based on my research, your company is one of the best cruise line in the Philippines who offer excellent service, diverse dining options, entertainment variety, comfortable accommodations, and exciting destinations. Your company also prioritizes safety, cleanliness, and sustainability, providing memorable experiences for passengers of all ages.
How do you handle challenging situations or conflicts in the workplace?
I can handle it by being calm to the guests and also for having a problem-solving skills and communication skills that is very important specifically when you are a cruise ship's crew and you encounter challenging situations with your guests.
How do you stay updated with industry trends and developments?
To stay updated with industry trends and developments, I will read industry publications such as magazines, journals, newsletters, and websites to stay informed about the latest news and trends, and also to stay updated with industry trends and development. And I will also participate in industry conferences, seminars, workshops, and webinars to network with professionals.
What skills or qualities do you think are most important for this role?
I think the most important skills and qualities for this role is having a communication skills, customer service skills, problem-solving skills, and of course, hospitality and entertainment skills that will contribute to the success of your company.
How do you prioritize and manage your workload?
I do prioritize and manage my workload by using a time management techniques because effective time management allows us to prioritize tasks and allocate time to focus on the most important and high priority activities.
Can you provide an example of successful project you completed and your role on it?
Yes, of course. Way back in my college days, we had a community service in our subject and I was one of those chosen to be the leader, where we had to think a community service that we would do. And what we chose to do was the feeding program for street children. And as a leader of the group, I can say that it was fun and become successful project for me and for my group members.
How do you handle feedback and criticism?
To handle it gracefully and respectfully, I will control my reaction, stay calm, and professional at the same time. listen actively and attentively without arguing and seek clarification to better understand the feedback or criticism on how I can address it.
What do you consider your greatest strength and weakness?
I do consider my greatest strength is that I have this confidence to the knowledge and skills that I have, and my greatest weakness is being a soft-hearted person that I know that has a big impact in my career, but I promise you that I will do my best to improve it.
How do you approach collaborating with the team members or colleagues?
I will respectfully approach collaboration by having a clear and open communication. I make sure to communicate clearly and effectively with the team members, sharing ideas, updates, and feedback openly and transparently.
Can you share an experience where you had to adapt to a new situations or change?
When I am working at a fast food restaurant, I do experience new situations and change that is new to me. And at first, it's really hard for me to adapt the things you should do and also to adjust in the workplace and your coworkers because it's my first job. But as time goes on, I gradually get used to it and become comfortable with my work and my coworkers.
What strategies do you use for problem solving and decision making?
The strategies I will use for problem solving and decision making is the step-by-step process that includes defining the problem, gathering information, generating options, evaluating alternatives, making a decision, and implementing a solution.
How do you ensure attention to detail and accuracy in your work?
Ensuring attention and detail in my work is essential for maintaining high standards of quality and achieving desired outcomes. The strategies I employ to uphold this principle is to establish clear standards, double-check work, use checklists, and also to take a break.
Can you describe a time when you had to meet a tight deadline? How did you manage it?
I manage this by having a time management, organizing the tasks I need to do first or need to be done, and avoiding procrastination because it can lead us to reduce productivity and cause us to miss out on achieving our goals.
How do you handle stressful situations or a high-pressure environment?
I can handle stressful situations and high-pressure environment by staying calm, taking a deep breath, practicing mindfulness techniques, or using visualization exercise can help me stay centered and focused.
What are your long-term goals and how does this position fit into them?
My long-term career goals is to be financially stable and also to be independent, and I think this position will be a big help for me to save for the future and to be independent woman.
Can you discuss a time when you had to take initiative or show a leadership?
During my college days, I was always nominated as the leader of any group's activities in our schools. And as the designated leader, I took on the responsibility of coordinating efforts, monitoring progress, and providing guidance and support to the team members as needed. I encourage open communication and collaboration, fostering a positive, inclusive team environment where everyone felt valued and empowered to contribute.
Thank you, Ms. Fajardo. And I'm so impressed with your answers. And thank you for coming in today. I really appreciate your effort. And please wait for our contact. Have a great day.